Hey, what's up, fans? Today I'm going to be giving you a little review. I haven't done this in about 2 years on this Jitterbug. It's a really nice one. For those of you guys who may or may not know what a Jitterbug is, it is just it's pretty much it's a flip phone for the elderly and sometimes young teenagers, because this is for the elderly, and it's also good for kids whose parents don't want them to have a smartphone right away. So this is good to start out with for kids. And as you can tell, there's a couple of versions of these, but this one is nice and red. It has a camera and everything. A pretty decent sized screen. It's a perfect square. As you can tell, it says Jitterbug. See? And then right here it says great call. Right here it says Alcatel One Touch. Alcatel One Touch. And then you turn it on. Now this is inaccurate. I don't know why it shows an August 21st date, but I'll probably fix that off camera. But it shows the date and time. Very bright screening. I don't know if you guys can tell. It just looks bright in the camera, but also through my eyes. Very large font. And that's the A for AM, of course. And you open it up. It does not have a background. It just shows this. It shows phone book, photos, phone info, settings, games, camera, call history, text messages, magnifier, and then it goes back again. Now, as you guys can tell, this is some huge font. This is some huge font for the phone. You know, everything's in capital. The numbers are really pristine. That is short for speaker. That just means on and off. That turns it on. Yes, no. And if you have a Jitterbug, and just to show you guys the speaker, this is really loud. Listen. See, really, really, really loud speaker. And I didn't even turn the speaker on. That's all I have to say. I didn't even turn this bad boy on. If you guys see what I mean, I didn't even turn the speaker on, and it's still really loud. It's still incredibly loud. And this is convenient. I think all phones, like flip phones, should be by federal law required to do this. Unfortunately, it's not. This is really good for the people with, cataracts or aging vision, or just visually impaired. This is really convenient. And the speaker is good for people with poor hearing. Oh, and it has a magnifier. I did not know that it had a magnifier. Let me see. Wait, this is the camera. I can't tell what I'm looking at. Hold on. Yeah, oh, there it is. There it is. My hand was over the camera. So, oh, makes things bigger. It's making it bigger. Okay. I see. Very convenient. Sometimes when I can't read stuff, I take pictures of things. That is very convenient. Good job. Great call. And then there's phone book. Very old school. And, let's have a look at the games. Yes. Now, there's only 2 games. Just a quick pair, make a match. This is good for people with, like, dementia or Alzheimer's, because This is meant to help their memory. I'm just going to show you how it works. We're on level 1. It says, are the objects the same color? And it's telling me, hit this for yes, this for no, and then continue, yes. Okay, let's see. Oh, it times me. Oh, this is fast. Oh, very fast. All right, enough of that game. And then I'll show you guys the other game. Make a pair. This is a little bit like a card game. Level 1. It says, remember, 1 card back and match based on card suit. Okay. Okay, we got a diamond and another diamond. Okay, I'll give this a try one more time. See, these are difficult, you know. And then phone info, it's showing me battery level, and then signal strength, and is that really all that's all it'll tell me. That's interesting. And then I can take photos, and you know what? I'm gonna test that. I'm not gonna take a picture, but I'm gonna look. Let me see how good this Okay, that is some pretty good font for the camera. See, it's some pretty good font. You know, a lot of the flip phones that I collected do not have the best camera out there. And now, what I'm going to show, last but not least, is the settings. 5-star button on. And colors, jingle on, ringtones, Bluetooth. Let's look at the ringtones. Let's have a look at the ringtones. Very old school ring. Beautiful. Oh, a jitterbug. It's very friendly. Now, if I had this activated, this is what I would pick. Yes, and by the way, you guys, the 5-star button on here, I'm not gonna press it because I don't know what it's gonna do, but please leave a comment and tell me, leave a comment. And let me know what that means, because I don't know. Let's see what colors there are to choose from. Red, black, green, gray, black. Okay, let's just keep it at red. Red's a cheerful color. So yeah, leave a comment. What does the 5-star button mean? Leave a comment down below, because I wondered, like, the 5-star button. Now, I'm going to shut it off and then turn it back on. The only flaw I have about this thing, well, there's no flaws, it takes some time to turn on. I'm not gonna lie. And it's great call the cell phone provider because I don't. Let me know. Do any of you guys, as the fans, have a relative that still uses these? Because these are really good. You know, I think I'm going to save this for when I'm a senior citizen. Or maybe I'll give it to my mom when she's a senior citizen. She'll like this. She'll like the memory game and card games. Yeah, when my parents get old and when I get old, this will be the family jitterbug. No. Well, maybe. I don't know what the future holds. They're going to have something other than flip phones by then, I'm sure. But another thing to note, this is actually mighty convenient. Correct me if I'm wrong, but when there's snow on the roads or something like that, this will alert you. This thing will alert you, telling you to be careful driving, which is very convenient, and I think all phones should do that. Not just the jitterbugs for the elderly, all of them. But anyway, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys later.